So this is my JDM model dozer. It's a 1/14 scale, and it's it's a DXR2, and it just arrived. So I'm gonna unbox, make sure we don't have any damage, make sure everything's going right. I didn't see any damage on the sides of the boxes, so it's pretty good. Now it says they packaged it really well. I got this from Toucan Hobbies. Took approximately a week and a half to Canada, Victoria, from Hong Kong. So looks like you gotta make your own right down the middle. Well packaged. Really well packaged. Quite impressed. So this we got box something. More parts. Looks like hydraulic fluid injector. I guess this is also part of the process of putting the fluids in. I've seen this bar. It's part of the cleaning up the front end. There's a chain of some sort. Almost looks like an anchor. There's two of them. Figure out what that is. Actually, three. And then there's another part. Four of them. And then here's the machine. Trash in the thing. See all the videos where people are like, it's heavy. It actually is heavy. machine. And the door opens. I think that opened, but maybe that's another one. And now all we got is the ripper. Everything looks in good shape. No damage. Have to install the lights, it looks like. And guessing that's probably this box here. Looks like the stacks, which are metal, which is nice. Feels metal too. Everything thinks metal. There's not really any plastic on this. Quite impressive. It's got a lot more detail than I could sort of notice from other people's videos. You notice the rails to stand on for the lights and all the detail with the rivets and bolts. Alright, well, let's see if I can get this thing put together.